Okay, so we were distributing the two adjusting factors across, and we came up with two adjusted versions of our original equations, and now we can add them. Remember, it's called addition. It's called elimination, but we can also call it addition because we add them together. Now we've got these two canceling out. 9y and 8y is 17y, and that equals, let's see, that is 1 minus 51, right? Divide both sides by 17. And we get, I know that one by heart, y equals -3. And again, to find our x value, we would just plug this back in. I usually like to go back up and use one of my original equations before I adjusted them. Usually the numbers are a little simpler. But we would go ahead and do that to solve for x. All right, so again, you can eliminate either term. You can come up with the x first, or you can come up with the y first. It doesn't matter. The whole idea here is we're trying to adjust the equations so that one pair of the terms will cancel out against the other. Let me show you one more equation. I'll put this page underneath. Example 67.3. Here are our equations. 2x minus 3y equals 5. 3x plus 4y equals minus 18. Now notice, what I want you to notice in this is notice that in the instructions it says solve by using the elimination method. Okay, he's telling us we have to do it that way. And he says, but he says this time eliminate y. So he's telling us, John is, that we have to eliminate the y variable, okay? So normally you could choose, do I want to work on the x's or do I want to work on the y's to adjust them? And he's telling you have to eliminate the y. So that means we have to adjust these guys so that they match and cancel each other out. And as you can see, the signs are already doing just what we want them to do. All right, we've got a plus and a minus, so we just have to figure out what number we can multiply each one by so that the product, the final result, will zero each other out. That's example 67.3. The solution to that is on page 274. So go ahead and work it out together and see if you can make that work. And then also try example 67.4, and that is also on page 274. And in that one, it just says use elimination to solve the system. So you get to pick which variable you choose to eliminate. And you can look and see what he did. But again, if you can get the right answers by eliminating a different pair of variables. This, you guys, is a really useful and practical exercise, this whole concept of using elimination. In fact, the Algebra 2 girls are using it in some of their work right now. So we will be doing this for a long time, solving systems of equations using elimination. So we're going to take a lot of time to practice this. If you find it confusing, by all means, please contact me so that we can talk about it. I really want you to not feel overwhelmed or confused by this. All right? Good luck with lesson 67.